Alright everyone, there's nothing cop stuff, it's just we had a storm here and this is right a couple houses away from me, and here it is. That is some damage. Look how rotten that thing is, man. And it came from up there. Okay, this tree has been falling for years, and little by little it's been falling. This stuff here is like, it's like sponge. Did you guys see it fall?
Yeah, I did.
Was it windy or was it just fell over?
It was after the store.
Okay, well this tree's been bad for years.
Oh, yeah.
I lived on this street almost my whole life, and little by little this tree's going, little by little. I'm surprised it didn't fall on nobody. That's a good thing. That's not your car, is it? That's not your car under there, is it? Yeah. That's some crazy shit, man. Wow. You know, this tree's been falling for years, man. Little by little. Wow. Is this your car? Oh, I'm sorry, man. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man. Wow. Fell this way, almost into his house. Did it hit the house? No. Well, it kind of got the porch a little bit. Wow. Man, this is... Well, I'm heading to the store, so I got to keep it short. Wow. Sorry about that, man. Good luck. All right, I'm going. Tree's been falling for years, man. Wow. This stuff is like cotton in here, man. Wow. That's termites and carpenter ants. Look at all them holes in there, man. Well, it's finally gone now. All right, I'm out. Glad it didn't fall on your house, brother. All right, I am going to the store. See ya. Peace and love.